This is the first ever Rolls-Royce Cullinan by BRABUS. Wow, just look at this. Look at the masterpiece work of BRABUS. All been repainted here. Close the windows, you won't even hear anything. Listen. You don't hear the exhaust, you only hear the engine noises. That's it. Crazy, right? Hello guys, I am Mr. Automotive and today it's the day. Today we will be talking about this bad boy here. Right in front of us we have the 2023 model Rolls-Royce Cullinan, but as you can already see and might have noticed, it's not a regular one. This is the first ever Rolls-Royce Cullinan by BRABUS. This is a car that BRABUS has actually announced and showed at their signature night in 2024, and here we have it. The car is full finished in black and it's actually the pre-facelifted version of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, so a serious one. But as I've already talked with BRABUS, they have confirmed that all these parts are also available for Series 2 Cullinan as well. Before I actually start, let me do one thing here. Watch this. We have a 6.7 liter V12 by Rolls-Royce and it's highly modified by BRABUS. Now we are not talking about 600 something horsepower. This beast comes now with the powered by BRABUS upgrades and gives us 700 horsepower total output, 950 Newton meters of torque. Just look at the engine bay. This has also been modified by BRABUS. They've added some new covers here, also the BRABUS built with the signature of the CTO, and all of this has been made by BRABUS in Bottrop. The car costs, I think, 750,000 euros in Germany without taxes. Here it comes with winter tires. Let me show you a picture of the original tires with the monoblock M, 24 inches. These are the 23-inch option wheels that we have, but I like the regular wheels. This car is full finished in black. We have a lot of carbon fiber, so let's get on and let's start a tour with the BRABUS Cullinan. Inside, outside has been changed, engine has been modified, more power, and we have a new exhaust system. So let's get on and let me show you through. Just talking about the way the car looks, I think it makes so much sense that BRABUS has modified the Cullinan. It's an SUV, BRABUS and G-Class and BRABUS and GLS and BRABUS makes so much sense. And I think the Cullinan as a statement, as a very distinctive luxury SUV makes so much sense to be a BRABUS at this point. It's been completely modified. We have a new front here, upgraded here with the carbon fiber parts to make it look more sportier, but yet extremely dominant. We have the Cullinan Series 1 headlights here. The front bumper has been all finished by BRABUS, full finished in carbon fiber, as you can see. The car is not wider, it's still the same body width, but they've added a few extra parts here as well. So let me show you. BRABUS has changed quite a lot, but mainly the car is now full blacked out. We have a lot of carbon fiber everywhere. For example, here on the side, you can see that full carbon fiber body extension, looking really cool, finished in gloss carbon. We even have these air intakes and the 23-inch wheels that we have here. These are the black platinum monoblock Y23 forged wheels by BRABUS, but as I mentioned, you can also get the 24-inch wheels as an option, which look even better. Outside, inside, we will find quite a lot of these blue. You can't even tell that it's blue. Yeah, now you can see it's blue. It's like a very bright baby blue, and we will find that all around the interior as well. BRABUS also here integrated in the carbon fiber structure, looking pretty cool. That's how the car looks from behind. The engine is actually running as it's extremely cold here. We at the boat in Düsseldorf and they have the car out for display. BRABUS changed the exterior, especially here on the rear, with some additional parts. So let me show you. For example, we have this additional rear spoiler here, finished in carbon fiber. It's full gloss finish. You can also go with matte finish, or you can even get this painted. So it's all up to you. We have the BRABUS, and you can see here with the blue, baby blue finish details, carbon fiber actually. Pretty cool. Also here, there's not even one single Rolls-Royce badge anywhere. We have the 700 badge also here on the side. The rear diffuser has been also completely changed. The exhaust has been also changed. Just look at that. Wow. it's smoking, and everything is here also finished in carbon fiber. If you want and ask for it, Brabus can also supply you with parts only. You can also go and get a full interior done, or just order a set of wheels. It's all up to you. This is all made in Germany, made in Bottrop. Great quality. Let's jump inside and let me show you the masterpiece interior as well. Opening the door. Wow, just look at this. Here we have the inside. As I mentioned, it's a Brabus masterpiece inside out. And in the interior, we have a full new interior change with the leather. They've stripped out, can you imagine? They've stripped out the entire Rolls-Royce interior, which is already top notch. And they have put in this Brabus masterpiece interior. But it's all up to you. You can also get a car with the stock interior. It's whatever you like. But the interior color of this one looks pretty cool. It's not Tiffany because it's a very bright blue finish, which looks pretty cool. I think they call it sky blue at Brabus, and we have a lot of interior details which I have to point out, so let's get it on. First things first, just look at the masterpiece work of Brabus leather finish. Look at the stitching here, all been repainted here in shadow chrome, also the door handles. We have these Brabus additional pins inside, leather again, carbon fiber, leather, even inside leather, really cool. Then you can see they didn't finish it in full blue leather, which makes so much sense. They put in the black leather here on top so it doesn't reflect. You can see that. Perfect. We have the Brabus entrance board, which is illuminated. We have the floor mats, which are finished in leather, but even underneath you can see the flooring is finished also in leather. This is so crazy. This makes so much sense. Yeah, to put that in here because, yeah, with dirty shoes makes so much sense. Even the brake gas pedal finished in shadow chrome. You can also get that in carbon if you want. Illuminated over here. Crazy interior. Just look at that. Okay, we are right inside the Brabus Cullinan here, the masterpiece interior, and I'm just trying to figure out how to close the door. I think it's this button right over here. There you go. Bam. Door is closed. We are right inside the Cully, and the interior looks so good. Honestly, I really love this. Full leather finish, sky blue interior, which is a very bright, nice blue interior finish. We even have a star roof here, and just look at the attention to detail. We have this additional black leather strip with the Brabus details, and then the perforated leather here, just matching the stitching on the seats. Just look at the seats. They are so thick. They look extremely comfortable, and they actually are. In the inside, we get a lot of carbon fiber parts here, which don't come with the stock car. So Brabus has added these. You can see on the steering wheel, this additional steering wheel frame, the Brabus BB here. The only way you can tell it's a Rolls-Royce at that point is by looking at the digital display here and the center screen. But all of the parts, all of the Rolls-Royce badges have been removed. For example, here we have a Brabus control button here. Pretty funny. Brabus carbon fiber all around here. Even here on the watch it says Brabus now. Crazy. The way they did it is pretty cool. The inside, the masterpiece leather finish is top notch. Honestly, the finishing here, just look at the way they did it. For example, Brabus leather with the Brabus detail. And then we have the finishing here, perforated leather and different size of holes, and then we have the Brabus BB here all around the seat. This just amazes me a lot. Even the back seats are also finished in this exact same leather finish. The full car interior, I have to say. There's nothing that's finished in plastic. The only thing that I don't really like is the indicator. That's it. Because this is finished in full plastic. You can't really tell because I'm wearing gloves at this point. But yeah, also the steering is so soft. I can't wait to drive this in summer, guys. I will definitely drive it, hopefully. And then we will test out the acceleration. We do 0 to 100 in 5 seconds, which is pretty slow, but considering the weight is pretty fine. Yet again, we will be starting up the car. I mean, it's already started, but let me just turn the engine off. Put all the windows down because I want to hear something. 3, 2, 1. Listen up to the Brabus Cullinan. Guys, at this point, I have to mention, we are sitting inside a Cullinan. We have double glass windows here, so no one cares about a loud exhaust or being the fastest on the Autobahn. This car is pure dominance, and Brabus has done an amazing job to keep that style. Let me still give you a bit of a sound check here. I mean, there's not a button to put it on or activate the exhaust button or something, because Cullinan drivers would never do that. The engine, however, is running. Yeah, and you can hear it. The engine was also running all the time, so it's warm now. The sound is not good, but do you actually need that? No. As soon as I even close the windows, you won't even hear anything. Listen. You don't hear the exhaust, you only hear the engine noises. That's it. Crazy, right? Let me just drive it a bit here. Just put it in drive. Just roll it a bit forward. Just watch this, guys. This car drives so easily. Look at that. Look at the steering, the way it drives. It's just so nice. Wow. Driving the Rolls-Royce Cullinan here. Just a few meters, guys, just to give you an idea about how soft this car actually is. Look, with one single finger I'm steering it. Before we finish it off, let me also give you a sound check from the outside. Let's first turn off the engine. And then as you can hear, you hear nothing. And 3, 2, 1, we start it up. V12, the 6.7 liter V12 here. 700 horsepower, also upgraded exhaust by BRABUS. Now listen to the sound. It's smoking like crazy, but there's no sound at all, which is totally fine because it makes no sense. We have a Rolls-Royce here and not a Ferrari or something or Lamborghini. This is totally fine. How do you guys like the sound, the car in general? Please leave it in the comment section below.